Ingakaligwinyi nje izwi lami. Ingakaligwinyi izwi lami. Flavio Silva comes, proves me right. Flavio Silva comes and proves me right. Doesn't need a lot of minutes esegroundini. Just give him 10 minutes, he's gonna score a goal. 5 games, 4 subs, 1 start, 4 goals. I-ratio yalowo muntu lowo, it's in every 30 minutes ukora igoli lo muntu. Yabo, that's what you need from a striker. And we have a striker now. But they are not going to say. They are not going to say it. Oh, it's a strike. Yabo, because every time Chiefs must be seen as a team, assigning Dengeko must be seen as a team, a dark horse. Already we have a name now in the league. We are a dark horse. How are we a dark horse when the last team to compete almost won a league was Kaizer Chiefs, either than the Sundowns? The last team to do that was the Sundowns. I mean, was the Chiefs. 2021 season, 2020-2021 season. We competed coach Middendorp. I think it's 2020-2021 season. Yes. Now i-league sisiphucwa igoli lika Khambala. La khona Lord Khambala was born khona. The last team to compete ngalindlela yokuthi yacishe yayithatha i-league was Kaizer Chiefs. And then but we are called a dark horse. No, we are not a dark horse. We are a white horse. Yabo. And they must not give us this belief. You know, going to 15 games, we were saying we are still fighting for a top 8 and all of that. But my fear for the haters, ukuthi after 15 games, ukuthi iKaizer iqale ibe nebelief yokuthi, because now we have secured a top 8, because clearly we are securing a top 8 for sure. We secured kahle top 8. I fear for the haters ukuthi iKaizer iqale ibe nebelief yokuthi actually we can compete for a-league. I fear for them because bazofa ama-chest pains. But I just wanted to say bengitheni ngoFlavio Silva. Doesn't need a lot of minutes as a grounded. It just comes 8 minutes, 10 minutes, 9 minutes, scores a goal, ayiphumela umfana. Yabo, Flavio Silva akube ngisho nane-nickname yase-South Africa. uReggie uMapensela usagejana naye, but uzoyithola. But we are very happy. Amakhosi ajabulile. The giant is finally awake. Ivukile, the sleeping giant. We've been sleeping, but the giant is now awake. Ikhosi aliphele umoya.